Day-Day, breathe! Get out of here with that. No way, Isaac. You gotta relax. All right, guys, we're here today with Isaac and Day-Day, and they're gonna play a game of skate. This is Stockton, California, in the house. So you guys know, what do we do in Stockton? Rochambeau. The board flip? Oh, sorry, I stand corrected. So you go first. Isaac is up first. Which way do you skate?
Regular.
Regular. Okay, so he's regular foot. He's gonna do his trick right here. Backside 180, first try. Day-Day with a massive backside 180. He's got his back. Okay, wait for it, wait for it. You gotta call your trick too. Yeah.
Front 180.
Front 180. Okay, good. We're getting the basics out of the way. Okay, add a little steez in there. Day-Day, you did not miss the front 180.
I have him rusty.
He's rusty, he's gotta warm up, he's gotta warm up. Okay, we got an S on the board. Nollie 180? Okay, good, I love it. No way, Isaac! What happened? He's getting nervous. They say the camera adds 10 pounds. Bro, these are the most epic pants I've ever seen in my whole life. Nollie 180. Sick, well done, well played. No way you missed that. We got a K on the board for Day-Day. An impossible? Okay, I was gonna say, you better not land that. You better not land that, making me look bad. Impossible heel? Wait. I don't even know what that is, but I like it. Wow, that was a good impossible. You gotta teach me that. Can you teach me that? Okay, we try. Isaac's got nothing, Day-Day's got A. A, right? Dang! I thought there was no way he was landing that nollie flip. Wait, what?
I'm joking.
That's a no good?
Yeah, he can do better.
Do we need to run that nollie flip back? The live studio audience is calling me out. Okay, run the nollie flip back. Run the nollie flip back. Bro, it's your turn. We're taking that letter back. He's got an A, he's got an A. He's only got A. What in the world? Breathe, Day-Day, breathe. Breathe, take your time. Give yourself some space, take your time. You can't let him skunk you. He's going to nollie flip again. No, get out of here with that. This is not Stockton, this is San Francisco. I'm giving you a rebate. Yeah, we're gonna count that as good. Unfortunately, he knows your weakness.
He knows it.
This is T.
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta breathe though. He's gonna miss this, you're gonna get the next one.
Get it, right?
You just gotta get that kickflip. Okay, Isaac, don't choke. Pressure flip! Don't choke, Isaac! Just kidding. It's fine. You made it. Wait, breathe, Day-Day, breathe! Give yourself time! Give yourself some time! Pressure flip. Wow. Breathe, Day-Day! Give yourself some time. You gotta relax.
What do they call Ollie CrossFit like that? Can I do that?
Ollie CrossFit?
Like that, can I do that?
If you can do that, I'm watching close though. All four wheels into the air. That's a no-go. Wait. So what are you doing?
I'm gonna go. No, nollie back 360.
Why don't you just do the kickflip? If you're gonna do the nollie back 3, go over there, take your time, give yourself a nice push, and do it going this way.
Trust me here.
Okay. Day-Day! I told him go this way. Okay, Ollie CrossFit. I've never seen anybody land that before. That's definitely gonna get him. Okay, what are we doing? Are we doing the nollie 3?
Yeah, I'm going to kickflip. You know,
Yeah, I was gonna say, kickflip. Kickflip is the one.
He can't do it, so I'll do
He can't do it?
No.
Bro! No wonder he broke his board. He was saying, these guys came to the Braille house, he was saying, oh, I broke my board at the Braille house and you gave me a new one. I was like, that's what we do. Pressure flip. Isaac, it's the camera adds 10 pounds. Why? He literally, how do you kickflip this high? This is huge. This is your chance.
Right here, I'm gonna skunk him right now.
Yes, if you skunk him right now, new board. I'll give you a new board. Bro, sub me in. Sub me in. Go, Isaac, go. What are you trying? Nollie 3? Heel flip. Whoa, he got it. You gotta get the pivot game on. He's gotta teach me ollie impossibles, and I gotta teach these kids how to pivot on a skateboard. Bro, you have it. You sure you don't got the kickflip? Just do a little lower, a little bit lower. So close, yet so far away. My God. Come on, this is Stockton represent. You good? You guys are both making Stockton look good, okay? Stockton look good. What? No, no. I thought the board was gone. I thought I was in traffic and I thought it was over for him, but it's not, it's okay. Okay, he's on T, bro.
Oh, I know.
This is the last letter.
Come on, I just started skating.
You just started skating like...
We just got from the board.
Yeah.
We just came from the board.
Okay.
And Embarcadero.
Okay, bro, give me the kickflip. Should I go and then you go?
Yeah,
Like you get my back? Let's see if I can kickflip. I can't even. Oh, he had it.
Oh, pop shove.
Yeah, pop shove. Wow. Okay, he's got another try. Last try, last letter, Day on the pop shove. Oh, what? All right, get over here. Yeah, very well played. Very well done. There can only be one winner, and it's Isaac.
You know it. You know it.
Okay, very well done. So where should they follow you? Stockton.org?
No, that's how the cookie crumbles on Instagram.
Say it again.
That's how the cookie crumbles.
That's how the cookie crumbles on Instagram. Go give them a follow. And I hope you guys are having an absolute blast learning how to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com. Let's go.